So, you want to know how to send GIFs in Discord with Tenor? Well, it's really easy. What you have to do is go to the chat or the person you want to send the GIF to, and you have to have this keyboard, which is the Gmail keyboard. You're gonna see this little icon in the bottom left, which is a smiley face. We're gonna long press on it. It's gonna take us to this tab. We're gonna choose GIFs, choose the GIF that you want. So let's say this one, and click on send. And just like that, we have sent one. And if you want to send another one, you can search for any GIF you want. So let's say grandpa, thumbs up. Wait for it to show up. It's gonna take a bit of time because Tenor takes a lot of internet for it to work. But let's wait for it. So after it shows up, you're gonna choose it, just like the one before, send it. And that's it.